All right, but this behavior, we don't see it if we are running it on Nextflow. All right, so it's possible to get this log after we have executed BWA. Of course, what we have here, there's no error, but if there was an error, we'll see it. But sometimes you may want to check the logs yourself, so it's possible to do that in Nextflow. So to view, or let's say to capture the BWA output in Nextflow, you can say you can use a certain command. Okay, so now with that command, you need to also specify the name here. Okay, that's the log name. You need to include that. All right, so to get that, we can say Nextflow, and we say log, and you specify the name of the run, which is in this case maniac underscore shaw. Yours is likely to be different. All right, but put whatever you saw there, and then you say -f, and you can say std by this. When I read on, I was informed, or I got to know that the BWA output is sent to std so that's why I'm specifying it here. All right, so if you do it like this and you execute, let's see what comes up. You are going to get that log coming up here. All right, so when you get that log, you can still save it to an output file or whatever. That one is up to you, but this is how you get the log after you have executed the Nextflow script. So I thought I'll bring this to your attention because sometimes you may want to see what is happening. So that's it.